And we're live. Hello guys, my name is CryptoSteph and today we are going to talk about the crypto markets. Sorry, my voice is so fucked up because I had some flu issues last week, but I'm recovering, and today we're going to look the crypto markets, the analysis of top 10 coins by market cap, coin of the week by games fundamentals, analysis of top forex, and Q&A. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin today, as you can see, I have drawn a chart which is a bullish tree drive, and currently the price is, it can go above this high, and if you can see, this was a clear 0.618 retracement from there, and this is also a 0.618 retracement, and currently probably we're going to test and the 0.618, and everyone will be excited, and after that probably we'll be making something like this or something like this, which is typical of Bitcoin. And that's for Bitcoin. So my target for this is 5,800, and as you can see, this was the previous support, weekly support, and this is the current market you want to trade. On the weekly, as you can see, this is a clear bullish sign. Let's remove all the drawing tools, and this was a clear bullish candle after a indecisive hammer doji. This was a clear bullish candlestick, and if this closes above this red line, the Ichimoku red line, I'm going to go long, and probably my target will be somewhere here. And if this is some kind of bull trap, then the probability is that this is only a retracement, and the retracement probably will be 0.618. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum on the weekly retested this high, and if you bought this, you're champ. I couldn't because I was sick and I couldn't trade, and I didn't even look at the charts, but this was a clear falling wedge pattern from this high to this high, descending channel, and currently it's broken, and the first target for this is the 0.5 level from the high to the low. So $178 was tested. Your next target probably is the 192, and after that the 213. For this to be bullish, it needs to close above 220, and after that you can see your target probably will be the $450, and that's for Ethereum. Let's go and see EOS. US dollar. So US dollar, this was a clear bullish reversal. We had, currently it's sitting in the $4, and it's above on the weekly scale from the red line and the blue line. So if this is a bullish sign, it needs to close above this high. So clear bullish sign is closing above 4.24, and if it closes, your next probably target will be this zone. So here is your long trade for EOS. As you can see, probably from this high low stop, and you have not a great risk to reward, but if you go on the daily, you can find probably a better entry, probably here, and that's for EOS. But EOS also has bearish divergence on the daily. So if you ask me, probably will go to this level to retest the support, and probably I will be adding some longs here for EOS. And if it closes below this, then that's a bearish sign for me. And let's see who are online. Hello guys who are watching me, nice to see you. I hope you like it, and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's go and see which coin today was the most profitable. ETC is crashing like it's going like there is no tomorrow. So ETC, let's see on another chart on Bitfinex. So let's see on the weekly. So as you can see, Ethereum Classic is above this high, so it made a higher high from this high, and for this probably it's going to retest some kind of FIP retracement. So let's go from here to here. So your first target is the $13.6. So here is your first target, and clear sign of bullish. That was a support, now turn resistance, and the 236 is very important level for every coin. So if it closes above this, your next target is $20, and your ultimate target is 25 and 0.618. But let's see how it closes, and that's for Ethereum Classic. And this is the coin of the week. Look, 1 2 3 4 7 weeks of green action. So who bought this, you're a champ. And that's for Ethereum Classic, and if you bought this, you have like a 50% gain. Nice. That's a great trade if you ask me. So another coin which was also in the green is IOTA BTC. I haven't watched IOTA, but currently if this closes above this high and doesn't make a FIP retracement to any of these zones, your probability is to go to this channel at 1618, and let's see which is that. So clearly this support, and how much gain is that if you bought it from here? So 60% gain. Yeah, that's nice. So that's for the coin IOTA. And on the daily, as you can see, we're clearly testing the 0.618 and no bearish divergence. So if you want to buy this on the daily, here is your buy signal. Probably this is some kind of this was a distribution pattern, so right now it will act as a support, and your second support probably will be somewhere here. So here is your buy zone for IOTA, 2993. So that's IOTA to BTC. Let's see IOTA to USD. So IOTA to the USD. Let's see first on the weekly level. So nothing has changed on the dollar pair. Some probably will be going to retest some kind of big retracement, so probably will be retesting the 0.5 level, so that's about 0.355 something. So here is your long opportunity on IOTA, and so if you want to add long, here is your long opportunity, and let's see how much from there. So here is your long, the 33% gain, your stop below this low, and that's a great trade. Probably a long stop loss, but a good trade because it's 1 to 2 risk to reward. Another coin which is also killing is Dash USD, but this is like probably 0.618. Yeah, so probably will make something like this, a 3 drive pattern. 1.12, 127, another 0.618, and another 127, and that's for Dash. I don't see any future in this, and if you buy it, don't hold it, sell it. And on the daily, a clear bearish divergence, and this is a great oscillator if you want to see bearish or bullish divergence. There is no bearish divergence on the daily, just some indication that if this closes above this high, then it's a clear long and retest of these highs. That's for Dash. Let's go on Binance and see which coins were today profitable. And if you don't have Binance, you can use my affiliate link. It's in my description. Binance has futures, it has margin, and it has trading shitcoins. So on trading shitcoins, today again, Coral BTC. This is a coin which I had longed, and it made a lower low and another. So this shitcoin probably had some kind of news and no bullish divergence. Let's see on the daily if it had some kind of bullish divergence. No, something. This was coin driven by some kind of news, or probably some kind of falling wedge pattern. But this is like a, let's see on the daily, the double bottom. Yeah, so this is a coin that I was watching, and I sold somewhere here. And if you go on my trading view, you can see the result from that. And let's see other coins. So losers, who is buying cocos? I bought cocos and sold. Also hot. So some shit coins. Also you can short these shit coins on FTX if you want. Look at the losses. So these shit coins are nowhere to be found. Also TRX. So TRX is also on my list because I added some kind of long, and I saw this like yesterday, and I was hesitant to add, and it didn't get filled. I wanted to add at lower prices, but currently I'll add here. So if this is a bullish symmetrical triangle, your target will be probably right here. So where is that? So if you ask me, this is your target for this coin TRX, and let's see if it closes below this. It's no indication of a trend change, just probably short squeeze of some news driven. Let's see on the margin pairs. So bet, so this bet BTC is making 4% loss and currently sitting on this support. So I had this as a bullish bet pattern. So you have a higher high, lower high, and then here's your buy zone, probably somewhere here, 786. So bullish bet or cipher or some type of harmonic, this is your buy zone for probably for bet, and this is no trade zone for me, if you ask me. So if this closes below this low, this is a short opportunity. So let's see how much percentage of that is short. Not your best risk to reward from here. For this you wait, bet USDT also in some kind of downtrend, but the USDT is bullish. So as have drawn this as some kind of rising wedge, and yeah, if you ask me, this is not bullish because it's in a rising channel, and let's see if there's some kind of bearish divergence. Not yet, and there is a crossover. So bet it's hard to trade this right now. No clean indication of. So if this is the support right now, if this holds, probably it will retest this on the bet. Let's see if there's some kind of harmonic. So probably some kind of harmonic. No, nothing yet. So it's a rising wedge, but I don't like rising wedges on shitcoins because it will break and then it will pump like crazy. I don't like to trade rising wedges because it will put your stop loss and then dump. It's because it's illiquid, and when there is not enough liquidity, you know what happens. Let's see. Also shorted Matic. So here is your short for Matic. So 190, my target for this, and probably let's remove. My target is 178. So from 190 to this is 6% gain. That's for Matic. Another shitcoin. That's yeah, Raven coin. Raven BTC broke its this downtrend, and it was like a ascending triangle. So if this is only a retracement to 0.5, probably we'll make something like this. You know, I love harmonics, and something like that. But currently I don't see any kind of reversal, because as you can see, it broke this support, and when you broke some kind of support, you will go probably to this 262. That's for Raven. Let's see Ethereum to BTC. What is happening to Ethereum BTC? Ethereum USD is interesting, but Ethereum BTC. So if this closes below this low, as you can see here, it's going to this low, and as I told you in some of my analysis, this was a clear tree drive pattern. Tree drive, you have a 618 VIP retracement. Something like that. So if this closes, if this goes here, I'm probably going to buy it, and probably will see if this closes, like if you have something like this. And if you want to be a trader, you want to bullish on Ethereum, on BTC, you want to see a high from this high. So after that, your target for short is probably this. This is a distribution pattern, and nothing is. There is no clear sign of bullishness. And let's see other coins. Yeah, currently ADA is interesting. I don't know what happened to ADA USD. So ADA on the weekly, yeah, it's making some kind of bullish divergence, bullish breakout, no bullish divergence. So as you can see, your first target probably will be 0.382, and it's clearly the previous support, now turn resistance, and that's for ADA, and clearly some sign of bullishness if this holds. So I want to buy this coin. So let's see if it gives a great long signal. So my ultimate target is the 0.618 level. .618 level, and where is the stop loss? Haha, where are you stop loss? So you want to buy this coins on pullback. You don't know when it's going to reverse, and as you can see, this is a currently support, and after that, if it closes below this, it's a failed rally. So let's put a long here. And probably your stop loss is here, and your target is, so great risk to reward, 7 to 1. So here is your ADA trade, if you ask me, and your target, the ultimate target is here, and your first target is probably here. But on the daily, there is a clear bullish sign because it broke above the 200 first time in, let's see, from last year, 3rd of March, yeah. So first time it is above the 200 EMA. So here is your long opportunity. So if this goes here, you want to buy it. And as I said, your first target is there. That's for ADA. And I will buy that with you guys. So here is your stop. So let's calculate my risk. So I have $13 to risk. $13 divided by 0.1. My risk is $130. So $130 my risk, and 0.014603, and that's my buy zone for ADA. I'm also short on XRP BTC, and I will tell you why. As you can see, I shorted this, and as you can see, we had a clear rejection and support break of this. So if this closed below this low, it's a failed attempt and just a short squeeze. Someone closed their shorts, and my target will be probably the 2443, and probably I will add some longs here for XRP, because look at this level, it was so many times respected and then went parabolic. For XRP, that is, and XRP USD. XRP USD, there are so many believers in XRP, but for me, if you want to be bullish on this coin, it needs to close above, probably above this high. So if we have a higher high and probably not some kind of flip retracement, so probably there will be some kind of clear rejection zone, the 0.26, and that's a key resistance and key level to watch. If this breaks above, then probably it's going to this level, 0.4, and that's for XRP. Let's see if there is some kind of comments. No comments yet, but doesn't matter, we will continue. Let's see what's next. I analyzed the top 10 coins by market cap. I said that currently ADA is also bullish by gains today. Coins of the week: ETC, ADA, IOTA, and Pearl. Losers: Bitcoin, Matic, and BAT. So let's see. ADA, clear sign of that we had a closed above this bearish downtrend parallel channel, and as you can see, this level was the 400, very clear support, and it held, and currently we have bullish crossover. But look left, and as you can see, don't be bullish on this coin, as if you want to trade it, here is your target for this. So I'm buying this. Let's see if this level was tested. So currently on the daily, it's resisted by this level. So which is this level? The 546. So let's put a long here. So here is your long, and probably this is your. So you can use these fractals for stops. And currently, if this is a 545, let's go 545. Let's calculate how much. So 30 divided by 0.088, 150 divided by BTC price 9,000. So my risk is 0.0016, 0.0 amount 0.016. So that's your balance borrow. So I'm expecting that this level is tested and everybody is bullish, and then there is a downtrend from there, and probably some kind of resistance here at this level. But currently it's going to retest this, and after that it's going parabolic. That's for ADA. Another coin which I bought is BCH at $368, and currently it's doing some kind of bullish falling wedge, and my target for this is $475. So I plan to gain 24% from this trade. And if you can see, my stop loss is $359. And that's for BCH. Let's see other coins which are also interesting. So also I'm XTZ BTC short, and I will tell you why. So let's remove this. So as you can see, we have some kind of uptrend and probably some kind of rising wedge channel. So my stop loss for this is here, this high. So, and my target probably will be this low. Probably that is retested, and as you can see, that's my target. So it's 1637, and from this trade I will be making some $20 probably. And another, let's see what's BTC doing. So if BTC pumps, these shit coins will dump like crazy. So BTC, if BTC closes above this level, then you're going to buy very much. So, but currently on the weekly, look, you have some kind of hidden bearish divergence. Why? Because this high and this high, so this is the high and this is your next high, but this is a lower high. So for me, you need to close above 10,400, else is a lower high, and as I said, your next support is 5,800. But a good sign from the bulls. and also the weekly awesome oscillator gives you some kind of bullish divergence, and that's great. But look at this kind of stochastic is going overbought. But if you are an action trader, you want to see overbought levels, and here was your sell signal for the stochastic. That's how you use price action indicators. So also, which coins were yeah, so link is also interesting. So link currently it's above its downtrend, descending falling wedge, and retested the 0.5 and 0.618 level. And for you want to be bullish, it needs to close above this, and after that you want, if you want to buy this coin on the BTC pair, here is your buy zone, and you don't want to see closing price below the red line. If it closes, it's just another failed rally, and probably it's going to retest this support like 8,500. So if this closes below the red line, it's going to this level on Link BTC. That's for Link BTC. Link BTC, another coin, Atom. So let's see what is doing. So Atom BTC, this is a clear short opportunity. Why? Because this candle was a bearish candle, indecision candle, and here was your short rate. So the 51115 is your short level, and let's see if it retests this level. So currently the support that is giving is this 4882, which is the 200 EMA daily. You have a short opportunity on the Ichimoku, so I'm going to short this, and here's your short. So my stop, where is that? 8%, and probably I will target this level. But I need to see a retest of this. So let's calculate the risk. So $30 by divided by 0.085, $150 divided by 9,090, which is the current Bitcoin price, and 5,100 and my borrow amount will be 1,015,168. That's too much. Yeah, this is a sell, not a buy. 0.01618. Target is 5,110. Borrow. So if this is filled, probably I will first target this, and after that probably this level. So on the weekly, let's see why. Yeah, because this was a clear support level which was not tested. So For Atom, I'm thinking that this level is a buy zone because it was never tested. Yeah, it was tested one time, but currently Atom is a short. On the weekly, you have a candle which, if it closes like this, it's a clear short. So that's my stop, and that's for Atom BTC. What's BTC doing? BTC is pumping. Coins, BNB. Yeah, BNB is also interesting. I think that BNB. So BNB, you have a descending channel and probably some kind of. So this is a neutral pattern. Descending triangle, nothing yet confirmed. We had a false breakdown. I was short from here, and currently nothing is happening. Probably is 0.618 retracement. Nope, not yet. Not even touch the 0.5. So based on weekly price action, this is a shorter opportunity. You want to short this to resistance, and your stop loss is probably this high. So if this is a short, you want to target the descending triangle. So here is your target for this descending channel, and probably going to retest this low for BNB. And let's see if it was tested. So no, it wasn't tested. Let's see on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, yeah, it was retested, and no, I will see if it has some kind of bullish divergence. No yet. So probably I will add some short. And how much was it? The short 7.61 stop. So let's put the math. $30 divided by 0.07677. It's rounded. $160 divided by Bitcoin price 9,090. 0.018. So I will sell 0.01982. 80, and my total amount is how much was it? 18, about 9 BNB. So that's for BNB short. Probably it's going lower and going to retest this. It reminds me as the Bitcoin price. So which gains? So IOTA is like going crazy right now. IOTA and TRX and ADA and ETC and BCH, which I was long. And look at these coins, how much you can trade on Binance. So guys, if you want to ask me Any question, please ask. Binance has some great coins to trade right now, and BNB is one of them. You can trade also the futures, but it's more risky. Let's see on the futures. Trade futures. I like more the futures than the margin, because they offer some kind of, yeah, you have stop limit, stop market, and it's also, it has a calculator. Yeah, so look, it has calculator, entry price, exit price, everything. So if you want to go long or short, Binance is your exchange to go. And also has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 coins to trade with the USDT pair. And if you ask me, it's a great chance if you know how to trade it, but don't use leverage very much. So Bitcoin, it's a clear long opportunity for, if you ask me. So you can long from this high. So yes, if the stochastic is going lower, but I'm thinking it will cross bullish, and based on the price action, you had a hammer, false breakout, and here is your long trade, $9,053. That's your long, and your target is 9,400. As I said, 9,400 and 500 is very important for Bitcoin, because look at this. This is a clear distribution on the daily. So that's your long trade for BTC. Stochastic is oversold, crossover. We have a crossover, which is also bullish, and that's for the crypto markets. Let's go and see the major forex stock markets, and then we can see the Q&A. We can go and end this stream, and I'm not going here. I will go on here, Euro USD, Euro first coin. So Euro dollar, not this. Euro, USD Euro. Oh, forex. I know. Euro USD. So the Euro USD, you have a clear support, and probably for me, I don't trade so much forex, but if you ask me, this is a clear downtrend right now, and it's probably going to retest this high. So if this is a long opportunity, here's your long, and your stop loss is below this low. And how much is you risking? 1 to 2 risk to reward. and I don't know how much is that in forex. Pips 474 pips. So this is your euro dollar trade, but if it closes below this low, you have a clear short opportunity, and it's better to short this, because if you short it, you have more risk to reward. So if it closes below this, you have a stop loss here, and your stop loss is below this, and your target is probably this low, somewhere here. And probably also this is a harmonic. Let's see if this is a harmonic. So we have a harmonic, and this is a cipher, but not based on price action. If this closes below this low, you have a short, and it's a great risk to reward, better than this point to this high. And if you short it from this, yeah, great, your target will be probably this low. Let's go and see euro yen. So euro yen daily chart. Let's see if this parallel channel is broken. So you have a parallel channel which is broken. Probably it's going to retest this high. So here is your short opportunity right there. On the daily, you don't have any kind of bullish divergence, and you want to short somewhere here, and this probably is going to somewhere, let's see on the fib retracement tool. So probably somewhere here, the 382, you have some kind of distribution pattern, and for this probably is going to retest this high, this support. So this reminds me a lot as Ethereum, because you had a parallel channel and now it's broken, and probably it's going to the downtrend. On the weekly, let's see. On the weekly, you have a hammer, but there is a clear downtrend and a hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. Euro yen bearish. Let's see euro AUD. Nothing. So sideways movement with not a trend, no trend zone. If you want to trade this, you want to buy this and sell it this highs. So euro AUD is neutral based on price action. Let's go and see euro CHF. What's happening with the pair, this pair? So let's remove this Ichimoku. Only put the baseline. Yeah, much better. So this is in a clear downtrend, and you're probably want to buy this based on support and resistance. You have on weekly bullish divergence, clear downtrend, and a clear support from this level. And if you bought this, probably your first target will be this high. So for forex, this is your long opportunity. If this is going there, your target will be this high, and your stop will be this low. So you have good risk to reward, and probably a good reversal if this wick closes like this. And you have a gap, so gaps are filled, and here is your gap, which is needed to fill, and your support is right there. That's for the Euro Swiss franc. People wanted to hear me about the, let's see another pair, USD, AUD, USD. So the Australian dollar in a clear downtrend, broke its support. Your next support probably is this low. As you can see, and your next support probably is this low. So here is your value area for the Australian dollar, US dollar, and currently it's in some kind of descending channel. Let's see this parallel channel. So you have this parallel channel, not the best parallel channel, but as you can see, here is your middle line. Your next support is probably going to be this, based on confluent zones and this parallel channel. So let's see if there's some kind of bullish divergence. No. Clear bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. We have a high and another lower high, but the indicator is lower here than in here is higher. So that's for the Australian dollar, US dollar pair. And let's see, the British pound is also interesting because they are going on GBP USD, yeah. So British pound, US dollar, clear downtrend. Let's see if there is some kind of bullish divergence. Now on the weekly, as you can see, probably double top here. Your next support probably will be this zone. So for this you need to be bullish, and to continue you need to go above this high, everything above this high. Your next resistance is probably this, and it was retested, and after that is this zone. So British pound, shitcoin police. Where is the shitcoin police? Looks like ADA BTC. If I didn't knew the pair, I will say this was a shit coin. British pound, what have you done? You have lost how much? 40%, 30%, 35% from your 2008 high. So economic wise, British pound is not doing great. AUD, USD, there is a sell sign on the 1 hour. So as you can see, AUD. So what's happening? AUD, NSD, USD, Miller forex short. So as I said, AUD, USD in a clear downtrend, and nothing to add here. And if this closes below this low, then it's a clear short opportunity and a clear double top. Here was your short, and let's see the other award, NSD USD. Let's see which was the coin, not the coin, the pair. Sorry, I'm NSD. So as you can see, I have a short opportunity on GBP yen, and let's go trade it on the as you can see, I'm short on the pound yen. Let's see which word was it. GBP, British pound yen. So British pound yen short, AUD, USD. I don't know why it's so slow on Wanda. Wanda, please fix it. So clear downtrend. Let's put some fractal of Williams fractal, Williams alligator. So Williams alligator on the 1 hour gives you clear short sign. So yeah, double top, and probably my target will be here. So great thing about this is that you can double click and put some on the fly 30. Where is my stop loss? So stop loss is here above this high, and my take profit for this 1-to-1 ratio. Let's see where it is. So 1-to-1 ratio, we have this high. Another coin, let's see. Not coin, coin. Euro USD. So these alerts are like gold mine. So we have a crossover on the stochastic and a bearish spinning top on with a bearish 200 with 30, and after that we'll configure it. So my stop loss is here, probably somewhere here, and let's see where the 1-to-1 ratio is. On the 4 hour much clearer. So on the 4 hour we target 1-to-1 ratio, probably from this high to this high, and my take profit will be somewhere here. So double top, rejection, and here is your target for this. Let's see other, which was it? NSD USD. So NSD USD USD low. So clear bearish candlestick. So trading sell. Here's 200 units. 30. After that we will and let's see where it's the 1-to-1 ratio. Oh, here it is, my favorite tool. So my take profit will be right there. And that's your trade for the NSD USD. And as you can see, we were in a downtrend from here. So this is a clear short trade for the NSD USD, another pair. Also, we don't have another pair, so we have some kind of bottom for how USD. Gold 1 hour long. Okay, but I cannot buy long. So let's see the fib retracement where it is. Probably to this high. So how much was bullish divergence? But I can buy 1 unit. I can buy 1 unit. Yeah, great. So here is my long trade for you. 150, 300. So my stop loss is here, and my take profit is right there. Based on that we have some kind of bullish divergence, 1, 2, 3, 4. So clear bullish divergence on the 1 hour. but probably and above the 200. And if you trade the alligator, you have a clear sell signal here, but excuse me, I'm thinking that this high will be probably tested, and let's see on the daily how it goes. So on the daily we have a new candle. Let's remove the drawing tool. So on the daily, stochastic crossover, there is divergence, but I'm thinking that it's going there based on probably somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here it's going to retest it. That's for gold. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and it was a great stream, and that's how I trade, how I think about the market. And currently Bitcoin is bullish. If this closes above 9,000, and let's see on the weekly, let's close this. So BTC on the weekly, if this closes above 9,000, which is 9,200, you have a clear bullish sign. And if it closes below 8,500, a clear bearish sign. So this is a level to watch. This level, previous support. So from 8,200 to 8,500 is your support to watch, and if this holds, it's moon time for Bitcoin. And yeah, the only thing that bothers me is the hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. But there was no hidden bearish divergence here. So yeah, there was some kind of hidden bearish divergence here, probably. Not here. There was here hidden bearish divergence. Let's see. So on the other side there was, and currently on the daily you have some kind of bearish divergence, but I'm not so pessimistic right now. There are no clear signs of bearishness based on price action. So crypto market is bullish, and everything else we need to see, like IOTA bullish, BTC bullish, Ethereum we haven't seen Ethereum. Based on the BTC pair, it was so good game Ethereum. So it was in my buy zone, but I didn't buy it. I was, as I said, with flu symptoms, and on the daily, yeah, same as Bitcoin. So this is bullish if you ask me, but on the weekly, yeah, on the weekly you have it needs to hold like 154, and if it closes above 180, then it's a clear bullish sign for the bulls. But as you can see, your next support and resistance is at 193. So if Ethereum, if you want to buy it right now, your target will be this low and your stop loss will be below this low. So let's refine it. So great risk to reward, if you ask me. And that's for Ethereum $2 to the US dollar. On Ethereum BTC it's another song and it's bearish. And that's that, people. I hope you liked the stream. I hope you share it with your friends, and if you want to continue with this kind of streams, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and let's make some profits together. See you soon and hope you like it. From Crypto Steph, from Cryptodonia, this is goodbye and we will see you next time.